Welcome to my channel, and today I am showing you guys how to upload your design to your Acuity Scheduling website. So some of you guys probably already bought a design, edited it on Canva or Etsy or wherever you might have bought it. So I'm going to show you guys how to upload it actually on your Acuity site. So first off, you're going to go to your Acuity Scheduling. Then you're gonna come down right here. This is what it should look like. You'll have your name. Here is where you will upload your logo. And this box right here that says scheduling instructions is where you're going to actually upload your design. So you're gonna go right here to insert image, choose file, and I am going to choose the files I just downloaded. In this file called Rose Gold Glam. So these I number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, just so I know what order they could go in. So first one, I'm gonna upload number 1. Now Acuity do not let you shift click all of them and upload all of them to my knowledge. So you do have to go one by one. I'm just gonna show you guys the easiest way. So then we're going to space twice. This is just what I do. I'm going to go repeat the same process, and I'm gonna do number 2. And you guys are going to do this for each design. I'm going to click right here, space twice, and then I'm going to come back up here. I'm going to go to picture number 3, upload that one. Again, space twice, go back down to the next one. See, you guys see how it didn't shift the way it was supposed to? It went behind a picture. You guys need to make sure you're always going forward. That is a tedious mistake I have made plenty of times, trust me. So then we're going to go to number 4. Make sure that it's in the right spot. If you make sure it's in the right spot now, trust me, it will make it a lot easier. Then you're going to space twice again. You're going to upload image, and you're going to go to your last one. So now you have all 5 of them on this section right here. So now what you're going to go back to do is you're going to delete the spaces. You're going to delete all spaces to where the pictures even up right next to each other. So they should be close like that. So you should only have to delete 2 spaces. So you're going to backspace twice, and then you're going to save changes. If you're like me, I do like to change this right here. I would try to match it to whatever color this is. Let's see what color we can get close to that one. Okay, so I have found the design I was working with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this hex code right here, and I am going to put that just right here, just because you want everything to kind of look the same. Okay, we are back. I had to go get my logo, so now I'm going to upload my logo right here. So once you do all of that and it looks good, you're going to save changes. Make sure that it saves, because you guys see that that was a very tedious process. So right here, you're going to view scheduling site, and this is what it should look like. Everything will be in a row. See that we added the color. The color will be right here. And then this is where you guys will upload like whatever you sell. You can add that on there as well. And then to get your link, of course, to send out to your customers, you can change it, copy it. You will go right here as well. Your appointments, availabilities, that is everything you would do. So let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys can email me or comment on this video. And I would love to help you guys. So thank you. Bye.